Alright, so I'm going to do a bit of a video tour of the van. Things are all set up, fully loaded. Done a few nights already. If any of you are interested in a bit of a tour, here we go. Top up. All the chairs are out. Get ready to go to the pool. Pool bags out. Backs up. Rock and roll bed. Clothes storage. Outdoor gear storage. Shoes. Shower gel. Shower stuff. Shower. Shower goes on here. Curtains come down. Curtains come down on the rail. Nice bit of privacy. When you've got them down, that is. More storage. We've got table storage under the rear, awning storage, random bits and bobs, barbecues down there as well. Washing line is essential, good, strong nylon washing line. Inside, compressor fridge. Essential for keeping wine and beer cold. Pull out basket drawer full of bread, snacks, tins, jars, essentials. More snacks, food cupboard storage. Kitchen, plates, bowls, cutlery, more storage, water. Essential kitchen items, single phase sockets, 12 volt control panel, 12 volt battery monitor, fruit bowl, storage, rock and roll bed. Comes out to a cosy 2 adult 2 berth sleeper in arrangement. Swivel double front seats. Up in the top, kids upstairs bunk, that's where they sleep. Plenty of room for 2 tweens. Countertop, double hob. Sink. Don't think you can quite see under there, but we've got battery charger on mains, leisure battery. What else? Front windscreen cover, keep the heat out, keep the light out. And there it is. Oh, the only thing we haven't got out at the minute is the awning. But yeah, kitted out, fully loaded, in the middle of the Pyrenees.